This has to be the most successful boat project I have ever done.
What are you looking at, Dad?
Well, the boat is starting terrible, and Ron Tanis thinks it's the carburetor, and I don't want to work on the carburetor.
Why?
It's hard to do. It's also not getting up to full speed. You know how when we were tubing with the girls, I couldn't throw them off?
Oh, yeah.
I've only got like 22 miles an hour. I don't know, I got no power. It won't pick up. Yeah, so I think that's a different issue. So we're gonna tackle that anti-siphon valve back there.
Oh. So we're going to like take it out?
And put a new one in.
That's what we're doing.
And replace all the lines.
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna see it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's crawl in. God, I love doing boat stuff. Let's put this away and deal with it later. Okay? Let's put this guy down. So we gotta get that valve out right there and then replace all those hoses.
How are you going to get it out of that spot well?
I have to pull out this guy first. There we go. Plus 13 inches. Time to go to the boat store. Guys, come on, get excited.
Dad, what are you doing?
Well, the boat store didn't have everything we needed. But I got the fuel pickup and I got a new water ski rope, but we're not gonna tell Mom about that, okay? And I got a new fill hose and the anti-siphon valve, which was the issue. Now, the boat store here did not have the A1-15 hose, so I'm gonna order that from Ron Tanis at Ski Boat Parts Online, but I'm worried about the latex gloves, so I'm gonna replace as much as I can and hook up the old hoses so they don't have latex gloves covering the fuel tank anymore.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this project done. Do you wanna go in and watch TV?
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Whichever that gets hot.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's going right here.
All right, buddy, so I'm just gonna put this guy in a little bit. We still have to cut this down to size, but we have our fuel line hooked up, our vent hose hooked up, and now I don't have any latex on anything, and I feel good about it. So now we can just leave it and wait for the other hoses to come in. Woohoo! Oh, hamburgers. Ooh, a sticker. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna take this guy, place it with this guy. This thing just go right over it. Probably. Oh yeah, that's no problem. $1987. See ya. This has got to be the dumbest place for a fuel water separator of all time. Oh. Oh. Whoa. It was all brown and nasty. Oof. Oh, that is bad. All right, put this bad boy on. That looks good. Okay. Old tube of 5200. And so I'll pump it. so we can see the spray again. Oh, it's spraying. It's not flooded. I'm gonna tell you right now, it sounds better immediately. I don't think it was as much the anti-siphon hose as it was this fuel filter here that was completely gummed up with nasty stuff. Now we gotta take it to the lake and give it the Italian tune-up. Wow! What a difference! Woo! So much more power! Now let's see what the old speedometer says. New fuel system, most power the boat's ever had. Really feels good. I wasn't sure if this thing really still had it. I was getting worried. I'm up to 826 hours. And I was getting a little concerned, but that fuel filter was definitely bad, and now that it's good, we're ripping. Can't wait to go water skiing.